know the secret money hack for 2025? It's not about saving every single penny or avoiding your morning coffee. It's about leveraging the most powerful tool of our time, artificial intelligence. You've heard the chatter, AI is taking our jobs. But what if I told you it could be your key to earning up to 5,000 rupees a day? Stick with me, because your future self will thank you for watching this. We've all been told the same old advice. Start investing early, save before you spend, track your expenses. And yes, those are crucial. But in today's world, there's a smarter way to play the game. It's not just about saving, it's about growing your money, not just earning it. The biggest money mistake people make is depending on a single income stream. In a world that changes this fast, that's like building your house on shaky ground. We need to build passive income, and AI is the ultimate tool to do it. Let's break down the first AI side hustle, AI-powered content creation. Think about it. Every business needs blog posts, social media updates, and video scripts. Tools like Jasper or Copy AI can help you write high-quality content 10 times faster than a human. You could become a freelance writer for multiple clients, charging per project, and easily hit that 5,000 rupee mark daily. It's a high-income skill you can learn right now. You don't need a fancy degree, just a creative mind and a willingness to learn how these tools work. Start today, not tomorrow. Next up, AI art and graphic design. You've probably seen those incredible images created by Midjourney or DALL-E. People are making serious money selling these as custom art, t-shirt designs, or even stock photos. You could start a service creating unique logos for small businesses or illustrations for authors. The possibilities are endless. Stop wasting money on things that don't give you a return and start investing in skills that do. Even investing 50 to 100 rupees daily into learning these platforms can lead to massive results. The third hustle is becoming an AI consultant or automation specialist for small businesses. So many business owners are overwhelmed and don't know how to use AI to make their operations more efficient. You could be the one to show them how to use AI for customer service bots, email marketing automation, or data analysis. This is where you can charge a premium. You're not just providing a service, you're solving a major problem and saving them time and money. This is how you build true wealth. Remember, discipline equals wealth. The discipline to learn and apply these new skills is what separates the dreamers from the earners. Now you might be thinking, this sounds complicated, but it's all about small steps leading to big results. Your 20s, 30s, even your 40s can decide your financial future. It's about adopting a rich mindset, which leads to a rich life. A rich mindset sees opportunities where others see obstacles. It understands that you don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to be smart about the tools you use. Even credit cards can help if used smartly to invest in courses or software that will generate more income for you. So, let's recap. We're not just talking about saving a little here and there. We're talking about a fundamental shift. Don't depend on one income. Grow your money, don't just earn it. Learn a high-income skill powered by AI. Whether it's content creation, graphic design, or automation consulting, the path is clear. The future isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter with the incredible tools at our fingertips. Start today. Explore one of these AI tools. Watch a few tutorials. Create your first piece of AI-generated content or art. The journey to 5,000 rupees a day begins with a single step. Your future is in your hands, so make it a wealthy one. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to level up your income. See you in the next video.